how to create a Facebook group from your PC. So from your main page, you want to just go to the top here and click on create. And from the drop down menu, you want to go to the third option, which is group. Click on that. And a pop-up window will come up. The first option is for you to put your name in. So just choose a name for the group you want. I'm just going to use the channel name, Woke Insight. And then add some names or email addresses of people that you want to add to the group. You can keep this empty for now. You can select the privacy. There's two types. You can keep it public, so anyone can see who's in this group and what you guys post, or you can keep it private. Only the members of the group can see who's in the group and what's been posted. So I'm just going to keep it public, and the visibility as well. Okay, anyone can find this group, or you can keep it hidden, but we'll keep it visible. You can also pin it to the shortcuts you have on the left side of your newsfeed. And when you're happy with what you've put down, click on create. And congratulations, you have created a new group on Facebook.